Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this dark cinematic AI portrait with horror villain with Nano Banana. Okay, first of all, you can open up gemini.google.com and you can use Nano Banana feature, and this is how the photo looks like, and I'm going to show you the prompt to create this photo. Okay guys, I'm going to create new chat on Gemini, and then we can choose Nano Banana feature, and then you can upload your photo. I'm going to add this photo, for example, and then I'm going to show you the prompt. Wait, you can add this prompt guys, and for the prompt I'll put it on the description. And then I'm going to send the prompt and also the image to Gemini, and the AI will create a photo for us. Alright, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create dark cinematic AI portrait with horror villain. And I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.